Hey, I'm Trigney. Welcome back to the Duncan, a FLATS building in the West Loop. Today we're going to show you some of the building's unique amenities. Being a renovated historic property, original features like the basketball court and mosaic pool have been brought back to life. Welcome to the basketball court. Built by the YMCA in the early 20th century, the Duncan was a center for recreation and housing for young men and women. The basketball court and running track were restored to their original condition, including their scoreboard. Residents can also string up a volleyball net or take a fitness class. If things get heated, FLATS mascot Lady Louise is ready to blow the whistle. Take a breather and step outside for some air on the gym terrace. Head downstairs from the basketball court to the gym lounge, which is designed to feel like a laid-back social club. One of the staples of the FLATS brand is a boxing ring. This gym has everything you need to break a sweat. After a nice workout, take a swim in the mosaic tiled pool. In the cold Chicago winters, an indoor pool is the perfect breakaway from the snowy weather. If swimming laps isn't your thing, stay warm in the infrared sauna. Find a lounger on the resident roof deck and soak up the sunshine. This is one of 5 outdoor areas at the Duncan. Hope you enjoyed seeing a few of the amenities at the Duncan, and thanks for joining us.